Delight Furniture in Hubli, India are manufacturing modular kitchen, cots, computer table, beds, almirah using the help of quick CNC machine. Yeah, machine is really good comparatively. It helps us in completely cutting and drilling holes and mechanism. We are getting good service from them, providing best of the machines, online support, offline support. They provide us with the quick software also, which is very easy to design and make our products. We are really benefiting from the machines.